To the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing another curriculum. So this is for a second grade unaccredited Abeka Academy curriculum. So I bought the videos without the books. So it just came with the speed drills, the test, the speed drills, and the video manuals. And I bought the consumables separately because I already had the books from my previous kid. So let's look at this. So let's check out what's in the, if you buy the videos, unaccredited videos without the books. So it comes with a test key, phonics and language test key, which I already have, and then another phonics and language 2 tests, arithmetic test and speed drill key, other arithmetic 2 test and speed drills. It's actually easier to do this way. Writing with phonics 2. And then this is the homeschool grade 2 video manual. So this is the one that I would really need to review because we're doing the videos. So that's what it comes with if you buy the unaccredited curriculum without the books. And now I'm gonna show you the consumables that I bought. And there's the list of what we got. The grade 2 independent study test kit. So let's look up what's in here. So this is the consumables that I purchased. So I purchased this unbound so I can bind them myself. So this is the arithmetic 2 work text, and it's in plastic so that it won't like go everywhere. So I'll open that later. This is the work text for the second grade, test and speed drills. I think I already have that here too. It's odd. So as you can see, the kit came with the test and speed drills, so I would have to return this one because I already have it. So we would have to return that. Then this is for my little kid, K4 phonics and numbers. This is for my kindergartner, another K4 writing, second grade writing tablet, which I believe I also have. Let me see. Nope, that's not the right one. So it's separate. Reading comprehension 2, phonics and language test 2. I think I also have this one, so I would have to return this. And then this is the writing with phonics 2. A duplicate again, so I would have to return the other one. So it's good. And then phonics and language 2, which I'm not sure if I have a duplicate. Let me just check. So this is it. And then the last one is the art, which I purchased separately, arts and projects 2. So that is what we have for the second grade. And I hope this video helps, and I will see you in the next unboxing.